The key to needle positions on the Singer Featherweight C240 sewing machine is that when you're in the straight stitch, you'll start off with the needle in the center position. Now to change it, you'll come up to actually where the zigzag setting is. So watch, when you actually change this, it will say 3.5, and then of course, if I don't change it, it disappears back to the straight stitch number. So 3.5 is the center needle position. So as we go plus, the needle is moving to the right. And notice that the little red dot shows up, indicating that I've changed it past the default setting, and it will go all the way up to 7.0. Did you see all the increments? So what we have is, because the stitch width of this machine is 7 millimeters, when we're all the way at 7, we're in the far right needle position. 3.5 is the halfway point. And then if we just hold our finger on here, you can see and the needle moving, you can hear it moving, and that would mean that 0.0 is all the way on the left side. So why would you need to move your needle position? Sometimes when you're sewing zippers, when you want to get a little closer to one side or to the other, you're top stitching, you want to be a little bit closer, you're stitching in the ditch, and the ditch is a little bit to the left or to the right. So the nice thing is, did you see how many needle positions there were? There's a lot. So you can truly fine-tune that needle exactly where you want it to go. Now remember, if you just wanted to get back to the default setting, touch the stitch number you're on. So for example, this one's 0, 0. So if I do 0, 0, the red light goes off and we're back to center needle position. That'll also clear out any stitch length that you might have also made adjustments to. So center needle position, you can actually change it while you're sewing to truly fine-tune exactly where you want that straight stitch to be.